So let's look at what's new on NetApp Instaclustr's managed platform for November 2025. We've got 4 big updates to cover, so let's jump in. First off is Kafka's tiered storage on GCP. Kafka tiered storage is now available in preview on Google Cloud Platform. If you've been using tiered storage on AWS, you already know the deal. This lets you offload older data from your local broker storage to less expensive object storage. So your hot data stays on fast local disks, and your historical data moves to something like cloud storage where it's cheaper to retain long term. So it's the same data, lower costs. GCP customers can now try this in preview. Next, Azure V5 generation nodes for Kafka are now generally available. These are newer, more efficient compute instances, faster processors, better memory performance. If you're running production Kafka clusters on Azure, you can now provision these V5 nodes and get improved throughput without increasing your node count. Next up is ClickHouse dev node memory optimizations. For ClickHouse users, we've got memory optimizations specifically for our smaller dev node sizes. This means you can experiment and build out your analytics pipelines on lighter hardware without hitting memory bottlenecks as quickly. Good news if you're prototyping or running non-production workloads and don't want to spin up heavier infrastructure just to test things out. And finally, PostgreSQL now supports AWS PrivateLink. This gives you secure, private connectivity between your AWS environment and your PostgreSQL clusters without traffic ever touching the public internet. If you're security conscious or working in regulated industries, this is a big one. Private encrypted connections with simpler network configurations than traditional VPC peering. And that's it for November. Tiered storage on GCP for Kafka, faster Azure nodes, lighter dev environments for ClickHouse, and PrivateLink for PostgreSQL. Links to the full release notes are in the description, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next month.